Oh, there we goes. Happy New Year to everybody. Let's see, right now here at the garage we are 3 degrees and outside is full of snow. Let's show it. So yeah, let's get some warm clothes. Okay, I'm just back from the gym. I'm picking up some packages and some stuff that I will show just now. So let's get to it. So there we go. As you can see, I still need to retouch a few points. Almost there. So let's keep on going. Yeah, today is a storm and a snowstorm. So you can see it's snowing a lot. And that's the beginning, only the beginning. So that means that I'm not gonna do a test ride on her, that's for sure, unfortunately. So I need to wait until the snow settles down, and then I can start it. I started and take it on the road. I thought, oh, if it doesn't snow today, I will take it on the road and see, you know, I just need to have a straight line, and then I can open the throttle and I will know if the problem is solved. So yeah, let's take this one out. Let's take it out from the table, put this one and start to work on this one. So let's go. So right now, let's see. These ones, they are now back in place. The only problem I had is that the gaskets that goes here in between, I thought I had them, but I don't. I have two old ones. Now I was checking this cable, and I don't know, it's a good one, but it's really used. So I think I'm going to order just a brand new, that's all. You know, and this one, give it to the owner. He can have it as a spare one. But I don't know, if I'm building the bike now, it doesn't make sense to put something really used. So voila. Yeah, so this one is gonna go. And now let's keep on going. Okay, so right now I was doing this, okay, because I just took it out of the ultrasound bath, and now it's clean, but I still need to polish it a little bit more. There's the other one. So, but I put an alarm, so at 1 o'clock I can take the motorcycle, the Dominator, outside. Today is not snowing, it's ice and whatever, but the road is clean. So let's go. Voila. Okay. So there it goes. She still does the same. So I don't know, people. Let's go take it slowly and steady, and let's not get dramatic. So, welcome to the crazy world of British motorcycles. Right now, the left one, the right one, I didn't touch anything, eh? I just a little bit the carburetors and just give some gas and see if she really reacts. And then stationary, she really reacts. But, okay. Right now, the right cylinder, it's really hot, like it's really hot. Like really warm, like the air is coming out of the pipe, it's really hot. But the left one, it's good. And if I touch the pipe, the left one is actually hot, but the air is coming through the exhaust is not hot. So something is going on there. So, here is something, people. Here is really something. Okay. So, okay, I was checking this one and this one. This one is from the right one, this one is from the left one. I was checking the springs and I saw that this one actually, let's see, this one actually was staking a lot, okay? And this one was really inside, like, yeah, I didn't make a picture, I should have done it, but sorry. But now it looks like this, okay? So, new spark plug. This one is connected now, and this one is back in place. So, let's start it. Let's see what she does. It looks like okay, so it looks like both are firing right now. That could be it. Get on the road. It's raining a lot, but I don't fucking care anymore. So right now, yeah, the sound is done. The sound is gone. So right now it just doesn't do the ta 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 anymore. Finally. So I'm happy with that, but at the same time I wasn't happy because I felt like the bike, it was in top end, wasn't going the maximum. I feel that you can take a little bit more out of it. So now I changed the nail, the height of the nail, I changed it a little bit. I put it a little bit lower because I think it's too rich in the top end. So let's take it on the road and see. Let's see. But that's it. I mean, I'm done with her. You know, that's all. I'm critic, you know, but that's it. That's all, people. So hopefully now it runs like even better. But if it don't, I would just put it back for in the position what it was, and that's it. Yeah, because yeah, better than this, I cannot do it, to be honest. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. So there we goes. So that one is done now, and next week keep on going on this one. Let's see how far we get. So yeah, see you next week. Ciao, ciao.